Wow! Di ba mami sobrang ganda?
Beautiful girl.
Lotus Lake. Wow! Ganda ng flower! Sobrang ganda. I cannot move on. You have the lake with the lotus thingy. And then you have the mountains. Sobrang ganda.
Rock Mountain.
Sobra. Di ba mami sobrang ganda?
Beautiful girl.
Dapat cardio.
Sabay. Right muna. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yung mga yun, oh, sila pati sila ate.
Mountain!
Dito. Oh, may mga dumaan na. Kat?
Guys, I just really recommend Hangwa. This area is magical. I really hope that you can see with your own eyes what I can see, because how is this our life? Life may not be perfect, but we make the most out of it. And to some people, wala lang to, punta lang ng Vietnam or something, but it's actually a testament that I personally, I intend to live my best life. Whatever the circumstances may be, I will make the most and the best out of it. Okay, bumaha siya dito ng very light. So si Kring Kim ay, wow! Wow! Oh my God, gusto ko makipaglaro sa mga bata actually. This is what we call grounding. Acupressure plus grounding. Ooh.